I have a video for you that is my entry into the Bolham family's subscriber giveaway. Now, Laura is Mummy B, and she has recently bought herself the Jeffree Star Equality lip bundle, and it means an awful lot to her. I will link her video down in the description box below if you want to find out how special it is for her. And she decided to use this lip bundle of rainbow coloured lipsticks to do a new series on her channel called the Rainbow Series. And what she's done for her subscriber giveaway for reaching 100 subscribers, which I'm so pleased that she has, and obviously all of the family have got the 100 subscribers because it is a family channel. She's asked her subscribers if they would like to enter the giveaway. They need to do a full face of makeup using one colour. So she will do a video using each of the 6 colours in the pack. There are 7, but 2 are the same colour, just different shades, or lighter and darker of each other. So there are technically 7 colours, sorry, in the box. And the first colour she did was red. So this video is going to be my entry into the Bolham family's Rainbow Series subscriber giveaway. So I had a read through all of my collection. I've picked out as many red products as I possibly could, which is a lot harder than it sounds because red is a very difficult colour, I believe, to create in eyeshadows and such things. So lipsticks, yes. Everything else, it was a bit of a struggle. So let's get started. I haven't put any foundation or concealer or anything on because I don't intend on wearing this makeup for very long. So I thought I'm not going to bother with foundation, concealer and all of that because I'm not doing a proper full face. So the first thing I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do some contour. So let's start off. The first thing I thought I could use for contouring is this sleek blush, and this is in the shade Crimson, and I didn't buy this. I got this in a glossy box. Yeah. I always wondered what I was going to do with this. Oh, it's lovely. It's got a hair on it. Now I know I'm going to use it for a giveaway. Right, okay, so I picked out some old brushes as well so I don't ruin my nice brushes. So I've just got some old eBay brushes. So I'm going to contour with this, ladies and gentlemen. Contour and bronze, sort of. So let's... This is a cream to powder blush. So I don't know how bold this is going to be. Look at that! I'm kind of freaked out here, ladies and gentlemen. Right, let's go. Oh, this is going to be fun. So I'm going to use this as if I would do a normal contour and... Oh, I look weird already. So that is my bronzing. Doesn't look too bad actually. Maybe I might be able to get away with it as blush. Maybe. Don't count it on it. Okay, for blush I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution single eyeshadow in neutral red. And I'm going to use a 17 blush brush. Somebody actually suggested I should use this as a blush. Oh, now I just look like I've got slap cheek. Now, I don't have any highlighter, funnily enough. Um, so, I'm just going to have to be unhighlighted. What a shame. Yep. The next thing I'm going to do is my brows. And for that, I'm going to use my Essence lip liner in red blush. So I'm going to do my brows with a lip liner. So this is where things get really crazy. Which might not actually look that daft with my red hair now. No, no, they do look crazy. Okay. So that is my brows. Okay. So weird. Okay, so now we're going to go into eyeshadows. So, I think the first eyeshadow I'm going to take out is my Freedom House of Glam Dolls Fairy Doll palette. I'm going to use this red here. And I'm just going to put that in my crease, I think. Looking a little bit weird there. Highly pigmented, this red. So that is that. Wow. So that is that palette. Then I got the new Sofx palette. This is the Extra Spice palette. And thanks to an amazing friend of mine, yeah, she knows who she is. So in here we have the shade 21. It is a red, but it's kind of like a really sort of deep red. So I'm going to use this just to darken up the outer corner. Oh, this looks so weird. That's actually a really, really nice colour. I really like that. I don't know why I'm looking at myself. And then for my lid, I'm going to go in with my Sleek palette. And this is the Rockstars Collection Hidden Gems. And this is a very glittery palette. The Sofx palette was blinding me then. So I'm going to go in and use this glittery red shade here on my eyelids. So don't know if you can see that. So that is that. That is really, really pretty. I like that. And then I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution. This is a lip liner in the shade Regal, which is another red. And I'm going to go in as an eyeliner, but I'm not going to take it into my waterline, just in case. I'm just going to put it on the lower lash line. So that is it on the lower lash line. So that is that. And then for my lips, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Studded Lip Kiss in Underage Red. So this one is just a mini. This was a free gift for the beauty club at Debenhams. This is a gorgeous, like, vanilla smell. So that is it. That is my entry for the Bolham Family's subscriber giveaway. This is a full face makeup using just red. So loving the lipstick. Loving the shimmering red eyeshadow on the Sleek palette, which is on my lids. Must use that one in the future. But red eyebrows and red contour. I look like I have slap cheek. But that is it. That is my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to check out the Bolham Family's subscriber giveaway and enter into their giveaway, then please click on the link down below. I'm sure that the Bolham family would love to have you join in. They are a wonderful family and I thoroughly enjoy watching all of their videos. Days out in the park, days down at the beach, family challenges, and Daddy B sometimes cooks as well. So yeah. And Mummy B does lots of like beauty box unboxings every now and again. So yeah, it's a fun all round family channel. So yeah, go check them out. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe. And if you would like to see more videos, please press that bell button so you will be notified when the next video is up. Could be another makeup look using just one colour. You never know. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you next time.